Hi, I'm Chris and one of the co-founders of Harness Projects. We have developed a real project learning experience that helps you develop skills and experience all in the one course. This is a world-first learning program where you get to work on 3 live company projects over 6 months part-time. Our graduates have had incredible success landing jobs in the UX design industry. They've been able to demonstrate real experience with real clients, something that's really difficult to access at the beginning of your UX design career. Throughout your program, you will receive mentorship from UX industry leaders from companies like Google, Tesla, Atlassian, and others. Their role is to guide you through each of the 3 projects and train you in UX design. Harness Projects is the only education provider that offers 3 real-world projects. This will help you develop a world-class portfolio and show industry that you're job ready. If you'd like to speak to one of our course and careers advisors, feel free to book in a time. We're happy to share more information about the UX design industry, the UX design projects that you'll be working on, and also help map your goals to an outcome that you're looking for.